Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the COLORFIT Pro from GoNoise. So I received this package today from GoNoise itself. I ordered it from the website, and this is basically the website says it costs something around 4,000 rupees, but after a couple of discounts I got it for 2,500. The price that was being displayed on the website was 2,999, and apart from that there was another 5% off discount if you pay online, and another code was there for there was a coupon code for Valentine's Day which gave me 10% more. So it cost me something around 2,500 or 600. So let's unbox it and let's have a look at how this watch is. It's a very nice package, very nicely done, and it's been shipped by Blue Dart. I got it shipped within a couple of days. Anyways, opening the box now, and here is the receipt. As you can see, it says 2,564 rupees, which is quite cool. There's another package, and here comes the box. So just exciting. I was quite amazed, to see the features that were displayed on the website. Apart from, what I saw, I think apart from answering your calls and replying to texts and WhatsApp and other social media, chats and social media channels, you can pretty much do everything on this smartwatch that you can do on an Apple Watch. And while an Apple Watch costs something around 26,000, that is the third generation, you get this one for 2,600, which is amazing. I just want to have a look at the quality. So this is how it comes out, and COLORFIT, some specs shown at the back. So here is a band, some information, and the box comes with a charger. And a manual, user manual. And you can download the app using this QR code, or you can just search for I think it's called the Fit app, DA Fit app, and you can connect it with the mobile phone that you own. It runs on both Android and iOS, and it's charged and it's switched on. So so basically this is what comes with the box: the charger, the watch, the wristband, and the user manual. For the time being, I'll just show you how this band gets connected to the watch. So here is how you connect the wristwatch. See, there's a knob at the bottom, there's a pin. So first you insert one of the pins on any one side, and then you pull the knob and see, and now it's fixed. So you can do the same thing on the other side. See, you'll see there's a knob over here. You can pull it so the pin goes inside. So first you need to enter the first pin in one of the slots like this. Then you need to pull the other one. And that's how it fits. And your watch is ready. So the next thing I'll do is I'll create another video where I will talk about the features of this watch and how you can connect it with your mobile phone. Thank you for watching and have a great day.